So we have the ability to run your progress billing rules automatically, have the system calculate what the percent complete is based on a budget. So I've set this up previously. So I have let me get okay, here's my project. So I put a project budget out here already. So I've got PM time for $15,000 is my budget. And what I will do is record some actuals against it. I'll make sure I choose the right category, so I've only budgeted one category. All right. Make sure I've got some costs on here. Okay, my journal's posted. Perfect. All right, so I'll head out to my project category again. The same area, billing rules. This is where we're going to run everything through. I'll choose progress again. This is going to be the automatic rule. And I'll have, again, let's do whatever it might be. 25,000. This will be my project. This will be the fee. What you'll notice now, the additional setup from a execution perspective here. So we have this project fast tab down here that determines if we're going to use this as an automatic billing rule, what project and then what categories should be evaluated for this billing rule. I've only got the one project here. And when I take a look at the chargeable categories, I know I budgeted and I know I used PM. So I will push that category as the one to use over into the billing rule. So once you have that set up, you are all squared away. And then let's take a look at manage contract status. So first thing, the same information is displayed. It's just telling you what type of billing it is, contract value, invoiced, etc., all the same information. But notice that I don't have that update percentage ability because I set up that project fast tab. I linked it to a project and a project category. It's basically telling me this is an automatic billing rule, and I'm not going to let you manually update the percentage on that billing rule. So essentially, there's nothing to do. You just let the system evaluate it. You'll create yourself an invoice proposal. And then based on the actuals that have been posted in the system and the percentage of budget, it's going to calculate what your invoice amount should be. Okay, so let's do some quick math. So it's telling me I need to invoice $1,041.67. All right, so let's prove that out. So I put in, from an actuals perspective, I had 25 hours. My cost price was $25. So the total there is $625. I had a cost budget of $15,000 in the system. So my percent complete is going to be 4%, and my contract value is 25,000. So let's apply the percent complete to my contract value, 104,167, and that is exactly what the system is attempting to invoice, 104,167. So I will post that. So a couple things to note on the automatic calculation here. So it's based on dollars. Percent complete is based on the cost dollars and your cost budget associated to your project. You can't base percent complete based on units at this point in time. It needs to follow the project budgeting format in the system. So if you use the forecast screens to enter your budgets into the system, it won't pick up those forecasts. It needs to run through the project budget functionality in the system. So just a quick check on the manage contract status form after posting it, tracking my invoice, what's remaining, and my percent complete to date. So that is the progress automatic billing rule.